Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the SpongeBob SquarePants Patrick Star game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Settings. Now within the settings page, you will need to scroll down until you get into the video settings. Here you can choose the graphic quality as well as your window mode. Now within the graphic quality setting, you can use the left and right arrow to cycle between the various different presets. First, try using the high preset, and then you can press the escape button to apply your changes. Press the space button to apply, and now the high graphic settings will be applied to your game. You can now try playing your game from the start menu and see how these settings feel. If you notice some issues, then you can go back to the settings page, and from the graphics quality preset, you can once again try switching it down by one step. Now once you have chosen the medium preset, once again go back and apply your changes, and then check your performance for the game once again. By repeating this process, you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality for your gameplay. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the SpongeBob SquarePants Patrick Star game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.